Hi everyone, my name is Simran Bharti. I'm a beauty and fashion blogger. In today's video, I'll be showing how you can give yourself a coffee facial at home. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to make is a coffee cleanser. For this, you will need 2 tablespoons of uncooked milk, 1 teaspoon of coffee, Apply this on your face in a circular motion using a cotton ball or your hand. After 3 minutes, wash face with normal water. The next step is a coffee scrub. For this coffee scrub, you will need 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, Rub this on your face for 2 minutes gently. The third step is a brightening tan removal face mask, for which you will need half tablespoon coffee, add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and enough rose water to make the paste thick for application. Apply this on your face and neck and leave it for 20 minutes. So our video has come to an end and I hope you enjoyed watching the process of doing facial at home. Thank you so much for watching.